Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your mortgage account with Delmar Mortgage. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in delmarmortgage.com/client portal and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official website for Delmar Mortgage and you will directly end up within the login portal. Go ahead and type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username section and then type in your password underneath within the password box. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged in to your Delmar Mortgage account right away. In case you have forgotten your password or username, you can click on the forgot your username or password option underneath and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log in to your Delmar Mortgage account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.